Hi students, today we are going to discuss about GK, the lesson number 4, the fourth lesson. What is the lesson name? National Parks in India. National Parks in India. Then national parks are the place where plants and animals are conserved in their natural environment. Then they are spread all over the country to save endangered species of flora and fauna. Okay, flora and fauna. Okay, for the reason there are 103 national parks and 544 wildlife sanctuaries are there. Okay, further in India there are 103 national parks and 544 wildlife sanctuaries. Okay, wildlife sanctuaries are there. Then almost Madhya Pradesh and Andaman Nicobar Islands have the maximum number of national parks are there. Okay, maximum number of national parks are there. Okay, further is Madhya Pradesh and Andaman Nicobar Islands have the maximum number of national parks are there. Okay, all of you understood it? Then match the national parks with their locations. Okay, already is given the question and we have to find out the answer. Clear all of you? National park and location also. So what is the location? Location is not given properly. We have to find out the location in the national park. First of all, Corbett National Park. Corbett National Park, which one? For their Uttarakhand. Which one is the answer? Uttarakhand. Next one, Kasirga National Park. It is the Assam. It is the place of the Assam. That is the location, Assam. And Ranthambore National Park. Which one is the Ranthambore National Park? Is the Rajasthan. It's located Rajasthan. Then fourth one, Periyar National Park. Periyar National Park. It is located Kerala. Which one is Kerala? Then next one, Kanha National Park. Kanha National Park is located Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh. Then next one, sixth one, Sundarbans National Park. Sundarbans National Park is located West Bengal. Which place? West Bengal. Then next one, Mudumalai National Park. Mudumalai National Park, where is located for that? It is the Tamil Nadu. Which place? It is the Tamil Nadu. Then next one, Bandipur National Park. Bandipur National Park, Karnataka. Which place? It is located Karnataka. Then next one, Gir National Park. Gir National Park is located Gujarat. It is located Gujarat. Next one, the Great Himalayan National Park. Great Himalayan National Park. It is located for the Himachal Pradesh. Which place? Himachal Pradesh. Next one, Hemis National Park. Hemis National Park is located for the Ladakh. Which place? Ladakh. Next one, Dudhwa National Park. It is located in Uttar Pradesh. Where is located? Uttar Pradesh. Okay. And some of the picture already is given the text in bottom. We see that Kasirga National Park and Ranthambore National Park, Periyar National Park and Gir National Park. So already this picture is there. All of you find out the picture in your textbook. Okay, clear? And all of you complete the lesson 4. It's very easy and already his answer is there. Clear all of you? The next lesson, for the next lesson, places of pilgrimage in India. This is the lesson 4. Next lesson is that 5. It is that places of pilgrimage in India. Okay, God is called the different names of different religion. Okay, God is called by the different religion. Okay, already know there is one different religion. All of you have to belong. Then every religion teaches to be kind. Every religion teaches to kind, speak the truth and pray to God. All of you understood? Every religion teaches to kind and speak the truth. Speak the truth is very important. Speak the truth and to pray to God. Pray to God. And we must respect all religions also. That is already you know. That is we must respect the all religions. Okay. Further, pilgrimage is the journey to holy place. That is a very important point. What is the meaning of pilgrimage? Pilgrimage is the journey to a holy place. Journey to the travel to holy place. Then a person who undertakes such a journey is called the pilgrim. Okay, a person who undertakes such a journey is called the pilgrim. Okay. Then write the name of the holy place under the picture using the help box. Okay. What is help box is there and find out the answer. What is the first one? Dash is situated in the lap of Nar Narayan Parvat Uttarakhand. Okay, Nar Narayan Parvat Uttarakhand. Which one is the first one? Badrinath temple. Which one is that? Badrinath temple. And second one, Dash is located in Ajmer, Rajasthan. Dash is located in Ajmer, Rajasthan. It is that Dargah Moinuddin Christie. Okay, for the Dargah Moinuddin Christie. Then next one, third one, Dash is located in Nagapattinam, Tamil Nadu. Okay, for there is one third one is Velangandi Church. Go. Okay, that was the Velangandi Church. Clear all of you? Fourth one, Dash is situated in the Amritsar, Punjab. Dash is situated in Amritsar, Punjab. It is that Golden Temple. Or I think it's almost people are visited that. It is the Golden Temple. It's very important places. Okay. Then next one, Dash are located in Bhavankhar, Gujarat. Then what is that? What is the answer? Is a Palitana temples. Palitana temples. Next one, Dash is located in Gaya, Bihar. That is the Bodh Gaya. That was the answer. Bodh Gaya. The next one, Dash is located in the Pune, Maharashtra. Is the Oil David Synagogue. Okay. What is that? Oil David Synagogue. Next one, Dash is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Is a Zoroastrian fire temple. Okay, that one is a Zoroastrian fire temple. Clear all of you? Next one, what is the answer? Last one, Dash is located in Kalhaji, New Delhi. That was the Lotus temple. That is very important. Is Lotus temple. Clear all of you? This is the places of the pilgrimage in India. Clear all of you? And all of you that is completed your answer in your textbook. Clear all of you? Next one. Next lesson. Awards and honors. That is the next lesson 6. Awards and honors. Clear all of you? An award is a symbol of honor presented to the person for his or her achievement. Then it is given to various fields such as sport, education, health care, art and technology. Okay, what is related? Further, it is given to various fields. It is given to various fields. Which field? It is a sport, education, health care, art and technology. Last one, technology. All of this is the which are the awards. Recognize the sport awards and complete the sentence using the help box. Okay. Already is given the question. All of you read the question. Dash is given to the person for excellency to sports coaching. Sports coaching. What is that? It is that Dronacharya Award. What is that? Dronacharya Award. All of you already the answer is there in your textbook. Find out the answer. And second one, Dash is given to the sports person for the spectacular and outstanding performance in the field of sports. What is that question? The dash is given to the sports person for the spectacular and outstanding performance in the field of sports. What is that? It is a Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. What is that answer? Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. Next, third one. The dash given to the sports person for the remarkable contribution in the field of sports. What is the question? The dash is given to a sports person for the remarkable contribution in the field of sports. What is that answer? Arjuna Award. Okay, you already heard about that one. Is the Arjuna Award. The next last question. The dash is given to the lifetime achievement of sports and games. What is the question? Dash is given for lifetime achievement in sports and games. What is that award? It is the Dhyan Chand Award. Dhyan Chand Award. Clear all of you? The next one. And the Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar. What is that? The Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar is given to two categories. Which are that? The Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar is given to the two categories. Which are the two categories? One is that Bal Shakti Puraskar and next one Bal Kalyan Puraskar. Okay, there are two categories are there. Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar. One is the Bal Shakti Puraskar and next one Bal Kalyan Puraskar. And there are two questions are there. All of you see that dash is given to children aged between 5 to 18 years of recognition to their expression of abilities of the outstanding achievement in the field of art and culture, bravery, innovation and scholastic, social service and sports. Which one is that? Is Bal Shakti Puraskar. Bal Shakti Puraskar. And next one, the dash is given to the individual of institutions who have made an outstanding contribution towards service of children. Towards service of children. That is the Bal Kalyan Puraskar. Bal Kalyan Puraskar. Clear all of you? Then this one also you have to complete in your textbook awards and honors. The next one, nicknames of some countries. What is the next lesson name? Lesson 7. Nicknames of some countries. Some countries, all of these some countries are popularly known as their nicknames. What is that? There is so many examples are there. For example, Japan. You already heard about the Japan. The previous classes in social studies you already learned what is the nicknames of Japan. It's very easy for the result. It's the land of the rising sun. Land of the rising sun. That is a nickname. Okay, for the Japan. And another example is Sri Lanka. India's teardrop. India's teardrop. Another one is Bhutan. Bhutan, land of the thunder dragon. What is that? Land of the thunder dragon. Another example is Singapore. What is Singapore? The lion city. The lion city. Another example, what is it? Switzerland. Switzerland, what is it? Land of milk and honey. Land of milk and honey. Okay. Further, these are the example of the nicknames of some countries. Clear all of you? Then, question. Given below are the nicknames of some countries. Look at each picture, read the nicknames and name the country. Clear all of you? Then, one more example is there. Italy. Italy, that one is there. What is the Italy of the nicknames? The boot. The boot. Then, first question. The dash. The gift of the Nile. Dash. The gift of the Nile. Dash. What is that? Is that Egypt. Okay. The gift of the Nile, Egypt. Second one, the land of midnight sun. The land of the midnight sun. Norway. What is that answer? Norway. Third one, the land of the 1,000 lakes. The land of the 1,000 lakes. Finland. What is the answer? Finland. Fourth one, the holy land. The holy land is that Israel. What is the answer? Israel. Then fifth one is the rainbow nation. The rainbow nation, South Africa. What is that? South Africa. Next one is the land of the lilies. Lilies are the flower. Okay. The land of lilies. What is that answer? Canada. Canada. The next one is seventh one is the land of cakes. The land of cakes. What is that answer? Scotland. What is that? Scotland. Then the land of the red dragon. The land of the red dragon. What is that answer? China. China. Then last one, the land of smiles. The land of smiles. What is that answer? It is the Thailand. What is that? Thailand. Okay. All of you write in your textbook the answer clearly and without a spelling mistake. Clear all of you? Then these are the lessons 7 and our syllabus is up to 10 and next video I will teach 8, 9, 10. Okay. Thank you.